Welcome to assignment 7.2. In this assignment what we are trying to do is map ethnic businesses or foreign businesses in Pittsburgh so that some policy so to see what kind of policy implications that might have. So one of the first steps to do is to actually create a address locator based on the PGH streets, which is Pittsburgh streets. So I'm gonna right click in my assignment 7 folder and create a new address locator, and since you are asked to do with US streets with zone, I'm gonna do that and name it as PGH streets. Also add my reference data, which is gonna be in GIS PGH streets. So you can see all the fields have been automatically populated. I'm just gonna go with the standard options, and now my address locator is ready. Now I need to create a new empty map and start adding my data, which is nothing but neighborhoods, streets, and foreign businesses database. So now once I add that, I'm going to turn my streets off for a little while and actually right click on your foreign businesses and say geocode addresses, and again don't worry about what I already have, but add the address locator we just created, which is in assignment 7 called PGH streets, and click on OK. Now it's gonna automatically populate address for streets and the zip codes for zone, which is pretty good. And I'm gonna rename the geocoding result as foreign businesses. Click OK. So you should approximately get 26% unmatched, which is about 29 properties. Make sure you get that and click on close. So once you do that, you can see the geocoded the foreign businesses in Pittsburgh. So what you need to do now is actually to create a spatial join between neighborhoods and foreign businesses to create a thematic map. So I'm gonna right click on my neighborhoods, click on join, and based on spatial location I'm gonna join my foreign businesses and add a sum and export it as neighborhoods foreign businesses. Click on OK. So now once I get that, I'm gonna turn my existing neighborhoods off, and I'm gonna create, right click and go to properties and go to quantities and create based on its count. I'm gonna use a different theme. Probably it's getting a little boring with the blues. Okay, actually that's okay. I'm gonna use that and use a quantile break classification and click on OK. So as you can see, we created thematic map. I'm gonna move my neighborhood foreign businesses upwards on top and create a location map for the businesses too, and reduce the size maybe touch, and actually label the neighborhoods. And we know that the neighborhood names has to be hood is good, but it has to be the size of 5 symbol should have a mask or a halo, and it should be italic maybe. And placement properties, make sure you add a buffer of 1 and click OK. So that's more like it. So, and maybe if you want to change the color of this to maybe blues, and also make sure your foreign businesses for label weight is set to high, okay, so that you don't see labels on top of businesses. So that's about it, and I save this map as assignment 7.2 and create a layout, file, page setup, create a landscape layout, and make sure you add your standard stuff like guidelines, and yeah, add a title, legend, and also you should add a scale bar. So and export this map as a JPEG. So I'm gonna add all that. Insert legend and go with the defaults, and rename your foreign businesses from geocoding result. Take out the geocoding result, and quantities. And export this map as PDF, and that's it. You're done with assignment 7.2. okay, turn this into Blackboard or email me and you should be good. Okay, just one more to go, guys.